In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the Quora language on the Quora app. Okay, so to change the language, once you loaded up Quora, you'll be on the home screen, and then you want to go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left. Then in the bottom left hand corner, it says settings. Go ahead and tap on settings, and then you can see one of the options there underneath settings is languages. Go ahead and tap on languages, and now you can see all the different languages that you can go ahead and choose from. Doesn't have every single language, but it has quite a few. So for this example, I'll switch to Dutch. So I tap on Dutch, and as you can see, the Quora has been changed to Dutch. If I go ahead and tap on that blue button, everything in my Quora is now going to be in Dutch. So that is how you change your languages on Quora app. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.